Chuck Russell here from Kolay Flooring. Just want to talk a little bit about our base we're going to be applying to this job. It's a luxury vinyl base with a profile on it. We use base adhesive to run it around along the back, top and bottom. You can see it's got a nice profile to it, very similar to some of the wood products. This one's never going to rust, it's never going to rot. You're never going to have to paint it, but although you can paint it with the right primer. I have a little small tester piece. What I usually use this for, I want to see what's going to look best, what's going to be the best look for our installation. So I'm probably going to do something similar to that. We're going to be running that all the way around the perimeter of the floor, okay? So we'll get started. Okay, what we're doing now is we're just setting this up to where we can miter our corner, all right? The reason I use it on the table with the saw tilted is because it has a flat surface that's more stable than trying to stand this 5-inch base up and have nothing backing it. So we'll get this cut, test fit it, and we'll get another piece, cut it, fit that, and fit them to each other and marry them up. If I need to change the angle a little bit, I'll do that. All I'm doing is just laying this out so we can get a feel for where it's going to go. We won't cut this last piece till we get our exact measurement. So you can see it's basically 2 pieces. That one's a 1 piece cut in half. Try to use all of our vinyl base, best we can without wasting any. Okay, this is an adhesive from Taylor. It's a white, easy troweling. It's just a white base adhesive that we use. Taylor's one of our main providers for our adhesives. So we're gonna keep it off the edge. Probably an inch up. We just don't want it oozing out everywhere. This is a butt seam. I want to tape it together so it doesn't pull apart or anything like that. Try to get it as seamless as possible. We leave the tape on overnight, 24 hours, should be fine. If need be, you can always come back through, especially when you have black on black. We could use a color caulker, a caulking, and come through here, fill in any little voids that we might have. A nice little transition. I think that looks beautiful with the riser, black on black. Okay guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you learned a little bit more about Kolay's products and how they go as far as an install. If you have any questions, please go to kolayflooring.com.